happy spring, y'all. You know, here in Savannah, I think we had our last chilly night, like Sunday night, just a few nights ago. And today it's humid.
Summer.
Not a lot of air blowing. So it's summer. So we're going to be having parties outdoors, right? As our weather gets warmer and warmer. So I wanted to share with y'all a delicious punch that's great for children's birthday parties or adult birthday parties. And then you could add an adult beverage to this, you know, if you wanted to make it for an older crowd. But it's a raspberry, a pink raspberry punch. And I'm going to give you, what I'm making today is like a half a recipe, because obviously I'm not having a party today. So this makes like a gallon. Let's see, let me see my notes. Yeah, it makes about a gallon. And I don't think Eddie, Teresa, and I can drink a gallon of punch. So I'm going to do half the recipe. But if you come into this link, you will see the recipe in total that would produce a gallon. So I'm going to start with 3 bottles of ginger ale. Ginger ale is so soothing to the stomach, don't you think, Eddie?
Oh, I drink it. That's what I drink.
That's your drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, if your stomach's feeling a little icky, this is the way to go. Did you feed Teresa?
She did, but she also didn't stay long because they're out there in the yard.
Oh, so now she's telling you I was good, I did what you said I should do, and now I need to be rewarded.
We're going to the reward store.
Okay. Just a fruit punch. You can find it in any grocery store. So we're going to mix that with the ginger ale. And that was 2 cups of fruit punch. 2 cups of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is so good. And wonderful, wonderful. The frozen fruit that you can buy now is so good, y'all. It calls for 1 12-ounce package of frozen raspberries. So actually, I'm just going to have to use like half. And by putting these in frozen, you know, you really don't need any ice, because the frozen berries are going to chill it. Plus, I had my drinks already chilled. So, just want to stir that around. Now, what really, really makes this the raspberry punch is raspberry sorbet. Normally, I would put this sorbet right into the punch. But I think for today, I want to make sure I get my sorbet. So I think I'm going to put it right in there. And, you know, back in my day, everybody had a punch bowl. And everybody made that lime sherbet punch.
And the rings and the ice
Yes,
rings.
that's what I asked Mama for my wedding to the boy's father. I said, Mama, I just want that lime punch.
Did your mom keep the juice? Like, my mom used, like, pear, like, she would serve at dinner time, like, little pear salads or little pineapple salads, and she kept the juice from all of those, and that's what she used for my lime punch.
No.
Mm-hmm.
She was very...
I guess she was cheap.
Well, or ingenious.
At that time, we just had little bags of juice in our freezer.
So, like I said, everybody had a punch bowl, and we used them. But now, you can buy these adorable little dispensers that you can even find these in plastic. Now, this one is glass, but you can find them in plastic.
You have to press it down.
I know it, and it's not working with me, is it? There. get the raspberries in there. So after I make sure that I have my sorbet, I'm going to put this into our punch. And I'm either going to need a straw, Teresa, or a spoon.
I'll get you a straw. Is there straw?
I know there's not one here. This is so refreshing. If you're having a
It's even
bridal
pink. Look, I got you a pink
oh,
straw.
perfect. Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
love these straws that have the big opening because our ice machine is a crushed ice machine. And when I use this straw, I get the ice along with whatever I'm drinking. I love it.
It's the little things.
It's the little things that make me so happy. This is so good. I love the pineapple juice. But, you know, if you're having a bridal shower or anything like that, wedding shower, baby shower, this would be a perfect punch. Especially at a baby shower if you knew that the baby was going to be a girl. So that's it, y'all. Short and sweet of it. Love and best dishes, and have a fabulous, fabulous spring. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.